In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a trading account with Eightcap and trade on TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to eightcap.com, and then on here on their official website, you want to first, of course, open a trading account. Now, you could go and start with a demo account or with a real account, but the most important part over here is that you actually choose TradingView as your trading platform. So somewhere inside the creation of your either demo or live account, you'll be able to see the platform. Make sure you select TradingView over here. Okay, so of course right now it's not going to allow me to actually type that in because I haven't done everything prior to that right now, but here just make sure you actually put in TradingView. Okay, now whenever you've done that here, okay, so it's loaded up, as you can see. There we go. So TV is basically TradingView. That's what you're gonna have to do. Okay, cool. So here, once you do that, you'll get the access to Eightcap portal here, and then inside you'll be able to see your TradingView account. However, if you already do have an Eightcap account and you want to open up a separate trading account for TradingView, you can do that too. Just click on Live or Demo over here, depending on which account you want to create. Click on the New Account button, and then for the platform, select TradingView here, and then open, of course, live or demo. Select whatever you want, fill in the currency, balance, leverage, and the account type. Click on request new account, and your new account is going to be created just like this. Okay, now once you've done that, steps from here are actually very simple. All you have to do is you have to go to tradingview.com, hover over products once you're signed into your account, click on super charts over here. And by the way, if you don't have an account for TradingView, you will have to create one as well. And then down here at the bottom, it says trading panel, bottom left. Open this up, and then in here, look for Eightcap. So for me, it's over here. If it's not here for you, click on show all brokers and just find it here. Click on it, and then here you want to basically type in your Eightcap username and then your password as well. And after you do this, you'll be able to sign in and actually start trading on TradingView using Eightcap. Okay, and if you don't know how to get the username and password, you'll basically get these to your email, and your account number is usually going to be your Eightcap username. Okay, if that's not working, you could also in some cases try your actual account credentials to sign into your portal. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.